Hello everyone, I'm Jerry. In the field of precision machining in modern factories, laser cutting machines and CNC machine tools are like two outstanding kings. When the death ray meets the metal blade, which one is better in this wonderful duel? Let's explore in depth. A essential difference, greatly different working principles. Laser cutting machine, just like a long-range mage with a death ray, it adopts non-contact thermal processing. A laser beam is emitted from the cutting head and irradiates the steel plate. The material is instantly melted and vaporized, then blown away by the airflow. The whole process is full of a sense of science fiction, as if future technology has stepped into reality. CNC machine tool similar to a melee warrior wielding a blade. It relies on physical force to make the cemented carbide tool directly contact the metal. Amidst the sharp sound of metal friction and cutting, the raw material is carved into the required shape through the high speed, rotation, and precise movement of the tool. Two performance duel each shows its strength in 4 rounds. 1 speed and thin plate machining round. For thin plates with a thickness of less than 20 mm, the laser cutting machine has obvious advantages. It cuts complex patterns more than 3 times faster than the CNC machine tool, and is well deserved as the speed king. To precision and surface quality round, the section of parts cut by laser is smooth and flat. Although the section of parts processed by a CNC machine tool has tool marks, it can achieve more delicate precision control, and is known as the precision master. 3-dimension and capability round. Laser cutting machines specialize in 2D plane cutting and can quickly process various planar parts. CNC machine tools dominate the 3D field and can easily mill and shape complex 3D molds, precision gears etc. For material utilization round, relying on nested layout, laser cutting machines almost have no material waste and are material-saving experts, while CNC machine tools generate a large amount of chips during the cutting process, so they are slightly inferior in material utilization. However, this duel is not a zero-sum game. In actual production, they are not enemies, but the best teammates working side by side. Plates cut by laser can be sent to the machine tool for precision milling and drilling. With their seamless cooperation, higher quality products can be created.